Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this super soft, glittery eye makeup look, which is perfect for springtime, but also you can wear this for any occasion you want to wear it for. I think it's also really pretty for like a soft bridal makeup look, but honestly, you can wear it for any occasion that you like. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, and it's actually super easy. It only requires a few steps. The first thing I did was priming the eyelids. I always do this before applying eyeshadow because it removes the redness from the eyelid and it just leaves me with a nice clean base for my eyeshadow. Now I use the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, which is really nice, and especially if you have drier skin, you're probably really gonna like this one. I still really like the MAC Paint Pot, which has been my favorite for years, but this one is really nice as well. Then I set it with a little layer of powder just to lock it in place. And then I use these eyeshadow guards and I applied them right underneath the eyes, so it leaves me with a nice sharp edge for my eyeshadow. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I just felt like I haven't used these in a while, so I just wanted to use them for today's video. I'm going to use this palette from Dear Dahlia, and I'm going to go in with this super light kind of like peachy shade. It comes really close to my own natural skin color, so I had to apply a few layers of this color to really kind of make it seen. But I just wanted to go in with a super soft eye look, so I did have to go in with these very light colors in order to make it look as light as possible. So I'm just gonna blend this all the way in my crease, just going from the inner corner to the outer corner and just making circular motions with my brush, and just kept adding product until I was happy with the pigmentation. Then I went in with this color right here and I started kind of doing the same, but this time starting in the outer V and then also blending it more towards my crease. This color is a little bit darker than the previous color, but it's still quite light. So again, I had to go in with a few layers to really make it more visible on the crease area. Now it also has a very slight sparkle in it, but you couldn't really see a lot of it. It was like a really soft sparkle, and it was also the first time for me testing this palette. Then I went in with this palette, this color right here, and I felt like the color payoff was not that great. I had to go in a lot of times to really get the payoff of the pigment onto my eyelid. Once it was there, it looked really pretty. It's this really subtle, like sparkly color, but I felt like the color payoff could have been a bit more better, you know, like the pigmentation. So I really had to press my finger in it very hard, but once it was on, it looked really pretty. Then I went in with this product, which is also from Dear Dahlia, and it's one of those like liquid glitters. Super pretty. I couldn't wait to use this. I have it in a few more shades, so I definitely want to do a few more videos. The only thing is that I used it like kind of like swiping it on my eyelid, and I noticed that I kind of removed the eyeshadow underneath. So for my other eye, what you see me doing right now, I kind of tapped it on, which worked so much better. So I kind of messed up one eye by doing it the different way, but you know, learn from my mistake. I think this was better, even though the eyeshadow underneath still came off a little bit. It was not as bad as the other side, but once it was on again, it looks so pretty. I love these sparkles. It's just so pretty, and I honestly feel like it looked way better in real life. It looked so much more sparkly, and yeah, I love it. Then I used the same color underneath the lower lash line as I used in my crease, and just using a flat brush to apply it, and then use a tiny brush to blend it out. I do see I have like a little hair sitting on my nose, which is there this whole tutorial, which is so annoying. I didn't know it, so please ignore it. I think it's like a little brush hair, or maybe it's like a brow hair, I don't know, but it's super annoying. Then I used a super light highlighter for the inner corner of my eye. You can use any highlighter that you have at home. Just make sure that it's a little bit lighter than your own skin color, so it brightens up your skin. Then I quickly curled my lashes, and I'm actually not gonna go in with any false lashes today. I really wanted this eye look to be super easy and quick to recreate. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which has been one of my favorite mascaras for a really long time. But I do have a few mascaras which are my current favorite. So I'm just kind of changing it up now and then. So today I wanted to use this one. And that was the finished result. So I wanted to show how pretty that sparkle is when you focus your camera a bit different, because I don't know, sometimes when I film a look, it just doesn't come on camera as pretty as it is. But yeah, I really like this soft eye look. Let me know what you think. If this is something you would wear, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that